So, good afternoon to all. Hello. Where we
Good afternoon.
stopped? Where we stopped? Malavika?
Definition of fashion.
Definition of fashion. So tell me, definition of fashion.
Fashion is a style that is popular in the present time or a set of trends
Trends.
that have been accepted by a wide audience.
Wide audience. Okay, right. Steffi, definition of fashion.
Fashion is something which is popular at the present time.
Fashion is a style.
Is a
That's
style which is
compulsory word.
popular.
Okay.
Style which is popular at the present time,
In the
and
present
trends
time,
that
or
are
a set of
accepted
trends which have been
by a
accepted by
wide
a
audience.
wide audience. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Fashion is not constant. Fashion is not constant. It's always changing. It's always changing according to some factors affecting them. Okay. So we are going to study about the factors. 8 factors are there. So let's see. I'm sharing screen. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the list of factors are here. First one is economic factors. Next, psychological factors, social factors, cultural factors, political factors, historical factors, geographical factors, and the last one is what? Technological factors. Right. So, the first one is economical factors. And before that, I have to tell one thing. The human mind tends to become bored with the available goods and services and always seeks for a new one and always seeks for novelty. Novelty means new. It results in demand for newer products. Right. For example, Steffi,
Yes, ma'am.
for example, I want to give you a clue. Okay. For example, as a teenager, you can't spend the time without this. You can't spend the time without an hour. Within an hour, as a teenager, you can spend the time at least an hour without this.
Ma'am, can you repeat that once more?
Okay. As a teenager, right? As a teenager, you can't spend time at least 1 hour, at least an hour without this. Nowadays, it's very popular. It's a gadget.
Mobile phone.
Yeah, mobile phones. Is it right? It's very right. The human mind tends to become bored with available goods and services. So they're searching for a new products. For example, the mobile phones. In ancient times, the mobile phones used for only for text messages and making calls, right? The nowadays it's improved a lot with inbuilt functions. A lot of inbuilt functions are there. There's an example. There's a popular example. Okay. So when we go into the factors, is the next question. So we have to include some points before that. The fashion is inspired by or respond to satiety guest. Satiety guest. Fashion is inspired by or responds to satiety guest. Is meaning spirit of the time. Is meaning spirit of the time is a one-word question. Satiety guest is a German word. Sate means time. Guest means tell Magna, tell me. Guest
Start.
means
Ghost or spirit.
Ghost or spirit. Sati guest. Can you see this word?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This said portion. This portion of word said means what? Time. Geist means spirit. Okay, note down this word. Said guest. This combines, then it becomes spirit of the time. Spirit of the time. Right. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes,
Nidhi?
ma'am.
Nidhi,
Yes, ma'am.
where are you? Are you there? Nidhi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what do you mean by said guest?
Spirit of time.
Spirit of the time. Said means time, guest means spirit. It combines together, spirit of the time. Is it clear?
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
it clear, dear? Yes. Next, what do you mean by the spirit of the time? What do you mean by spirit of the time? Who tell me? Steffi. What do you mean by the spirit of time? No, Steffi, no. Raina? Raina? What do you mean by spirit of the times? They already know that. They already studied in first periods. What do you mean by spirit of the time? Tell
The
me.
ideas,
Ideas. It's a set of ideas, beliefs,
that is article, beliefs,
and aims that
aims,
is occurred in a particular period of time. That's occurred in a particular period of time. Simply means we we have to follow the trends. We have to follow the trends. As a fashion designer, we have to follow the trends. That is the spirit of the time. Spirit of the time is a phrase. Okay, it's a phrase used here. That means it's a set of ideas or beliefs or aims that's occur in a particular period of the time. Is it clear? Nidhi? Nidhi,
Yes, ma'am.
your concentration is missing, right?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Listen here. Okay. The next, dominating events. Dominating events and influence of celebrities are the important points, but it is not included in the factors. These two sections are included in the introduction part. That means essay introduction. Okay, introduction of the essay, we can write these points. Dominating events like political events, fashion award ceremonies, fashion shows, national and international games like Olympics, then Commonwealth games like IPL cricket that affect our designs of the clothes. For example, during the IPL time, the fans wearing t-shirts with their Steffi, with their
Idols
no, the
of
team
the
names,
team they support.
with their team's names. They show the team's names on her or his t-shirt. Right. That way, affect, that way these dominal events affect the fashion. Clear? Is it clear? Okay, we can take a next example. A fashion award function. There is a award function. Our favorite celebrities wear the different types of dresses. When we see that, we wish to be like that, right? Or next magazines, or like magazines like fashion magazines, international magazines, that include these functions clips, right? Then we can see that, then when we see that, we are inspired by them. We inspired by them, right? We inspired by them. These are the examples for dominating events. Dominating events, in which way dominating events affect the fashion? Come on, Anna. In which way dominating events affect the fashion?
Dominating events like political
Political
events,
events. Hmm.
so award functions,
Award functions.
they affect us. They affect the fashion. They are the influencing factors.
Okay. The next we are going to, and another one more example there. A famous designer, Joy Mitra, in 2011, on 115th birth anniversary of Rabindranath Tagore, the Nobel laureate's handwriting was used as a reference to make a stylized print. You can see in the textbook. We can see that pic in textbooks. Did you get the books? Did you get the textbook? Yes.
Ma'am.
Then can you see the dominating events? Students, the Dean sir is waiting to join. So, can you hear me? Students,
ma'am.
our Dean sir is waiting to join here. So, please keep and quiet, okay? And answer correctly. Malavika, don't afraid. Okay. Then we are entering to the next point. Influence of celebrities. The celebrities like film stars, sports persons, musicians, then persons with the power and wealth. They have the highly coverage through the media. So through the media, they influence us. They influence us through the media. When we see them, we recognize the dressing patterns like that. Is it clear? Is it clear for you, Anna?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what happened? We aspire to be like that. We aspire to be like that persons, right? We are trying to find the same costume, right? Then the fashion expands, right? Then the fashion expands and that become a trend. Okay, is it clear? So these 2 points that are dominating events and influence of celebrities must include the factor session. I mean, in the essay, we have to write the introductory part that must include dominating events and influence of celebrities. Okay. Next, we are moving into factors. We have main 8 factors are here. What are they? Did you remember that, Malavika?
Economic factors,
Yeah, economic factors,
psychological,
psychological factors,
social, cultural,
social, cultural, political,
historical,
geographical,
technological.
technological. Okay, very good. The first one is economical factors, right? Okay, in economical factors, fashion reflects our national state of economy, whether it is in buoyant or recession period. Buoyant and recession, these words, I think these words are unfamiliar to you. Nidhi, am I right? Did you hear about the word buoyant or recession periods? No. Okay, I will explain. Buoyant period means in this period there is it's a rising period with economical activity. Economical activity is rising in buoyant period. Economical activity is rising in buoyant period. Can you say this word? Buoyant?
No, ma'am.
Malavika, can you say this word?
No, ma'am.
No? Here it is. Here it is. Buoyant. Can you see this? I'm sharing the screen.
No, ma'am, can't see the screen.
No?
But what you're writing, we can't see.
Okay. Here. Now it is clear?
No, ma'am.
No. Then note down the spelling. Buoyant, buoyant. In this buoyant period, that means economical activity is
Can you
rising.
repeat the spelling, ma'am?
Buoyant. In this period, economical activity is in peak level. Okay. Then, in buoyant period, the economy is thriving. Then what happened?
Is it an economic term? I have not heard it earlier. Is it an economic term?
No, it's a situation. Buoyant is a situation. In this situation, the economical activity is thriving. Then, in buoyant time, economical economy is thriving. Then, which results in innovative and fast consumer products, fast consumer goods, right? Fast moving consumer goods. FMCG is abbreviation. FMCG, fast moving consumer goods. It's the outcome of buoyant situation. Is it clear? Is it clear, students? Raina? Okay. The next situation is recession. 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 Once again, I'm repeating. RECESSION. Recession. In this period, there is a reduced economical activity, just opposite to buoyant. There is a reduced economical activity. Then this affects the demand of classic items. Classic means first class products. At that time, we have no money, we have no more money to buy a product with high cost, right? There we can use the term value for money. It's a phrase, value for money. Issues like value for money occurs at the recession time. So it affects the demand of classic products, classic items. Okay. Is it clear? Nidhi, is it clear? So what is happening in economic factors? Can you explain it? There are two important points that are
Beyond
beyond
and
and
recession.
recession time. It's a situation. Beyond situation, there is,
And a
in beyond situation, there is economy is thriving. Economy is thriving. Then what happened?
result in fast consuming goods.
Which results in innovative and fast moving consumer goods. Okay. Then next condition is, Nidhi, tell me the next. Recession time. What will happen in recession time?
Rejection of economic activities.
Rejection or reduction?
Reduction.
Reduction. Okay. That is the definition. Recession means reduce. There is reduced economic activity. Okay. What will happen? What is the outcome?
Low business.
Come on.
Low business.
It's affected the demand. It's affected the demand of
Product.
which product? Which product? Or first class products, or which affect the demand of demand? Come on, Nidhi, where are you? Which affect the demand of classic products, right? Or luxury products, or costly products. Is it clear? Okay. Then we are moving to the next point or next factor. What is that, Steffi? Next factor?
Political,
Psychological factor.
psychology.
Psychology has a crucial role in how we view ourselves and others. How we view ourselves and others. These explained in three ways. First one is duality of fashion. The next one is freedom within the social norm. The third one is endless search for novelty. Novelty means new. Okay, so the first one is duality of fashion. Du means what? Steffi? Du means what? Two.
Due means
Du means two. So there is 2 points are important. Malavika, what are they? Any idea?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Meghna?
Personal of public image.
Public image and personal style. In this, in psychological factor, that means fashion can establish or fashion can express the personal style and the public image of an individual. And also, it forms social norms of the dress code. And also creates an individual identity. Individual identity. So here the important points are, Malavika, important points are
Personal style and public
personal
image.
style and
public,
public
image.
image. Can you tell me an example? Any example? It's related to, it's related maybe some professions, or is related to you the most. Raina? Raina? What may be the example?
Our own styles and all.
It's okay. When we can take an example, uniform. Do you remember that? I already told in previous classes. Meghna? Did you remember that?
Yes, ma'am.
Duality of fashion. The example of duality of fashion is
Yes.
uniform. Uniforms can show the identity of that student, right? It shows both identity. It shows both personal style and public. Come on, personal style and public image. How can show that? Nidhi, how can show that? Public image and personal style. They can show the public image and personal style. How can they? How can they possible? Share your ideas. Nidhi, are you there? Come on. When we wear the uniform, the others feel, oh, it's a student, right? So that is the part of public image. And when we wear the uniforms, or when we can stitch the uniforms according to our length or according to our loose, right? And then we can put the pockets. It's our choice. In fashion allows the freedom. Fashion shows. Which are they? Which are the 2 points? Steffi, which are the 2 points fashion shows? Personal
Public
style and
image.
public image. For example,
School
uniforms.
uniform.
Is it clear? So uniform can show the personal style of that person and public image of that individual, right? Is it clear? Again and again I'm asking this because it's an essay question. It's very important. We are exam oriented, right? So just listen here. Then you will get all the points. Right? Okay. The next point. Who tell me the next point? Anna. Psychological factors happened in 3 ways. Duality of fashion. Next.
Freedom within.
Yes, freedom within the social norms. We live in the society, so we have to follow the rules. So, fashion allows the freedom to express our individuality within the social norm. That means, without any peer pressure. There is a important point. Without any peer pressure. Peer pressure means we are belongs to a group. We are belongs to same group. Example, friends. That is your peer group. Right, Meghna? So, without any peer pressure or societal pressure, the fashion allows the individual to show the individuality. Right? But there is one condition. According to the gender. We have to select, or we can select any costumes. Okay? Malavika, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm asking you because you are the new students. First 2 periods, you are absent, right? You were absent. First 2 periods, Anna, Malavika, Steffi. Is it clear, these points? Steffi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We are discussing about the factor, psychological factor. In these 3 ways are here. Freedom within the social norm. We are discussing now freedom within the social norms. So, fashion allows the individual to follow any costumes without any peer pressure. Okay. Is it clear? Okay. The next is Anna. The next point is what? The next point is duality of fashion. The next, freedom within the social norm. The next, last one is endless search for novelty. Novelty means what? New. Okay. That I said before in the introduction section. The human mind tends to become bored within the available goods and services. We are not satisfied with an item. We always search for a new thing. We always search for a novelty. That leads to the innovation of newer products. That leads to the innovation of newer products. Right. Then the fashion begins from there. Right? Raina, is it clear? Okay. That is the important points occur, and that is the important points included in psychological factor. Next point, next factor is sociological or social factor. Social factor. Yes.
Can you repeat that last one, novelty?
Endless search for novelty. Right? Novelty means new. Novelty means new. In this, the human mind becomes bored. The human mind becomes bored with the available goods and services, and always they seek for the novelty. It leads to the newer products. It leads to the demand for newer products. Then we are moving to the social factor. Social factor. In social factors, can you see this pic? Students, can you see this?
No, ma'am.
No? What happened? I'm sharing the screen, but it didn't see. Okay, no problem. Now you can see? I think now you can see.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. We are discussing about the social factors here. Here also we have the 3 points. The first point is here, dynamics of social group. Dynamics of social group. There is a subdivision. We will discuss about the later. Next point is global issues and concerns. And the third one is ethical concerns and practices. Note down these points. In social factors, there are 3 points. First one is dynamics of social group, then global issues and concerns, and the third one is ethical concerns and practices. And here are some historical examples for social factor, or here is examples of fashion that typify a period. During this hippie movement of 1960s. What do you mean by hippie movement? Did you heard about this word hippie movement? Meghna, did you heard about this? Hippie movement? No? in history? No? Okay, hippie movement means it shows not societal acceptable. No, it is not societal acceptable dresses or costumes. Hippie movement, during the hippie movement period, some persons wear the dresses that is not societal acceptance, societal accepted, okay? That is not accepted by the society. Is it clear? That is the hippie movement of 1960s. Is it clear? Reina, is it clear? During the Reina?
Ma'am, can you repeat once more?
Okay. During the period hippie movement is happening. It's happened in 1960s. 1960s, there was a hippie movement. Hippie movement. In hippie movement, some persons wear some dresses. Some persons wear the dresses that is not accepted by the society or that are not accepted by the society. Is it clear? For example, fried jeans. Fried jeans. Look at this picture. The bottom part is wide. Can you see that? Bottom part of this jeans is look like wide. The next is tie and dye shirt. Tie and dye. What do you mean by tie and dye? Any idea? Tie and dye? No?
Ma'am, they tie the t-shirt, like kind of
Ah,
twisted t-shirt,
twisted.
and they give some colors.
Give some colors on it. Then what happened?
They give some
Get
color.
these like designs, right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, it's a method of dyeing. It's a method of dyeing the textiles. Then we tie any part of the dress. Then what happened? Then we will pour the color on it. Then we will pour on a color on it, and then we will get the variety patterns. That is tie and dye. So tie and dye shirts, it will discuss about in printing or printing methods, dyeing methods. We have a chapter. Okay. Tie and dye shirts and fried jeans and normal t-shirts. Normal t-shirts are the important examples, or are the examples during the hippie movement of 1960s. Okay, these are the examples, historical examples for the hippie movement of 1960s. Is it clear? Okay, the next we will see the two pictures. What is writing here? Broad-shouldered women's suits. Broad-shouldered women's suits in 1980s. In 1980s, some ladies used like these dresses. It shows their power. Broad-minded, broad-shouldered women's suits. These shows the power. These shows the power or ability to accept all criticisms from the society. They shows their courage through this dress, through this costume. They show the courage. Is it clear? Then the next picture. We can see the informal dresses. It's look like a dirty, right? Malavika? Is it a formal dress? Is it a formal dress?
No.
No. It's a informal dress and look like a dirty, right? This is a grunge look. This look is called what? Grunge look. Grunge look of the 1990s. These were happened many years ago. First one is 1960s, the second one is 1980s, the third one is 1990s. It shows the fashion. That is historical examples. Historical examples for what? Fashion. Okay. Then we already told about the fact about the points included in this. That is dynamics of social groups. Dynamics of social group. Then what? Anna, then what?
Global issues and concerns,
Global issues and concerns. Then
ethical concerns and practices.
ethical concerns and practices. So we are going to wind up. Before that, what we studied today or what we studied this period, can you brief them? Meghna, can you brief them?
The definition of fashion and the
Definition of fashion
and the factors
and the
influencing
factors influencing
fashion
fashion. In
and
factors, which are they?
economical,
Economical factors,
psychological,
psychological factors,
and social factors,
social factors. Okay.
and the examples of
In
historical.
social factors, we want to we have two more explanation, but in the next classes. Okay. So prepare these portions very well for the next classes. I will ask your questions. Okay. The new students, get ready. Okay. New student, especially new students. I'm asking to new students special questions because you were absent in first periods. So I have to more concentrate on you. Okay. Okay. Where is Nidhi? Nidhi, you are missing. Nidhi, where are you? Nidhi? Nidhi? Nidhi is vanished. Okay. We are going to finish. We are winding up. Okay. The next class is, when is our next class? No? Our next class is on Friday. Get ready for that. Okay. I will ask questions based on these portions. Okay. Okay, tata.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you for your cooperation. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.